How to make cool cut text, like this. First choose File, New Legacy Title. Now add text and setting as you like, or you can just follow my setting. Drag text to sequence. Find crop effect in effects section. After that, drag it to the clip. Copy the clip. In effect control, find crop. After that, setting top to 50 in one clip and bottom to 50 in another clip. Then setting the position of the clip, but don't forget to click the toggle animation and setting as you like. Like and subscribe for more tutorial video.